Which direction facing a house the best? Dear friends, many people wonder which direction facing house is best before buying or building a home. The answer depends on sunlight, climate, ventilation, and even which hemisphere you live in. East-facing houses are popular worldwide because they receive gentle morning sunlight. Morning light makes the home feel bright, fresh, and comfortable without creating too much heat later in the day. North-facing and south-facing homes behave differently depending on the hemisphere. In the Northern Hemisphere, south-facing homes receive more sunlight and warmth, while north-facing homes stay cooler and receive softer light. In the Southern Hemisphere, the opposite happens. North-facing homes get more sunlight and warmth, while south-facing homes stay cooler and shaded for longer periods during the day. West-facing houses usually receive strong afternoon sunlight in both hemispheres. This can make interiors warmer, especially in hot climates. However, proper ventilation, curtains, plants, and insulation can help reduce heat and improve comfort. The best house direction is not the same for everyone. Climate, surroundings, window placement, and home design play a much bigger role in comfort and energy efficiency than direction alone. A well-planned home with natural light, airflow, and smart design will always feel better, no matter which direction it faces. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.